In this video, I'm going to explain how to move around the camera in the FTC Sim World Builder. First, to look around, we have to hold our right mouse button and then move the mouse to the left, to the right, up or down to look into the different directions. If we want to move around, we can use W, A, S, and D to move forward, backwards, left, and right. Try moving around through the map and make sure you're comfortable with these controls. In addition to these controls, there's also Q and E, where E allows you to move straight up and Q allows you to move straight down. Besides that, on the top right side, you can see this little panel that moves along as the camera rotates, and you can actually click on these sides here to get a perfectly straight view from one of these sides. This is particularly useful when you're building a more complex level, but you can also use it when you just want to get a top view, for example, like this. Please note that if you get confused with where your camera is going and maybe you're stuck right on the floor like this, you can always go to Edit, Reset Camera, which resets the camera to the starting position.